Hey guys, we're here with Belch magazine. We're Asco. We're gonna introduce ourselves real quick. This is
Andy sucks.
yeah.
Fuck Andy.
Tori.
Also, fuck Andy.
I'm Andy.
He fuck that guy.
Chris.
That's Chris,
That's Andy.
and I'm Andy.
So fuck
And
that
this
guy.
is Tori.
And Tori says fuck Andy.
I've been seeing pictures of when you cut your head open, Tori, and I wanted to ask if there was a message you're trying to get across.
Yeah, I like like the shock factor performance. I feel like people don't go out to listen to music; they go out to see something exciting. And I like being controversial because I think that it brings out like an honesty in people. Like, if people want to hate you, they'll look for any reason. So I like doing things that make people either hate me or love me. You know?
It's really cool.
Yeah.
What show have you done so far that's your favorite?
Probably that one.
Tonight?
Yeah, there was something
Or that
about,
one. My bad.
The one where she like split her.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, there's something about being drenched in your own blood that's just really nice. It felt really good. And it was sick. Yeah.
What are you guys' favorite part about shows?
The fact that we don't know what the fuck we're doing.
Yeah.
They're all freestyle. We're a freestyle band, so everyone takes out their own emotions depending on how they're feeling that day.
I like grossing people out.
I like to sweat, and Chris likes voice.
And I like to talk shit. And I like to do that.
Sorry.
I got you. Let me see. Oh. You didn't see that, Chris?
Hey, no one saw that.
I know,
No one
goddamn.
saw that shit. Hey, keep that in the cut.
Yeah, don't
Keep that
scroll.
in the cut.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah,
How did Asco come to be?
Did you have a penis pic?
Did I have a penis picture? I don't know,
Asco
maybe.
came
Shit.
to be, how did Asco came to be?
Andy and Chris started jamming and then they asked
Yeah.
me to be vocals.
So, let me tell you. We aren't supposed to be shit. We aren't shit. We're not trying to be shit. The cool thing is that
We are some shit.
if you hate it, it's good. I'm glad you hate it. Hate it harder, please. Because, like, the thing is, like, we're just jamming, dude. We started jamming. We ended up here jamming. We're doing an interview and we're still fucking jamming. So if you hated us then, you should hate us more now because now you know we're not doing anything, dude. Honestly, dude, like, dude, for your fucking mom, dude, here, dude, there's nothing,
but
dude.
you love us, so
fuck
it's
your
okay.
mom too, bitch. Hey, and the horse she rode on, fuck that bitch, dude. Because the thing is, we didn't do anything to be here, dude. Like, we're literally just vibing, dude. So if it sucks, it sucks. And if it's good, it's good. And if you hate it, you hate it. If you like it, you like it. And dude, honestly, dude, like, dude, I'm sorry, dude. I'm really drunk, so
You're good.
so it's okay.
Ask
So
me a
no,
question.
but
I got you.
hey, dude, Andy sucks more, dude. So fucking ask Andy all the questions because he's a piece of shit.
So, as you guys mentioned, you guys freestyle a lot, but I've also noticed you guys have some songs out in Bandcamp. Do you guys ever play those live, or is it just all improvised?
Those were also freestyles.
Were they?
Everything was a freestyle.
Yeah.
We
Our friend
tried
recorded
really
those.
hard, dude. We tried really hard to duplicate those, and
We did for a little while. We could just never do it. We don't have band practices. We just show up at our shows.
it honestly
That's
it
really
sucks ass, dude. Like, I mean, if we suck ass, we suck ass. But
No, I think you guys sound really cool.
I mean,
Just the way you, like, it comes out is just
hey, well, God
natural.
is with you, dude. God bless you.
And then one last question. So, do you guys have any inspiration from Natrash or any of the Danger music?
No.
No?
I don't even know
I
what that
don't.
is.
Well,
Danger music?
whenever I see you guys just like it's going crazy, that's what it reminds me of. It reminds me of Natrash so much. If you guys don't know who he is, or it was a music group where this guy just ran a fucking bulldozer through the venue this one time. He's just like,
The noise music.
Yeah,
Yeah.
dude, in Japan.
yeah.
Yeah, fuck yeah, dude.
That's what's up. I
Yeah,
just like
it's
anything
dope.
that's shocking, like performers that like do performance art as well. I just think it's fun to make a fool of myself in front of people because I think the whole point of our band is to not take it seriously.
Yeah, because, I mean, just fucking, dude, the name, dude, is like, yeah, dude, you're supposed to hate it, dude. So fucking hate it hard, please.
Well, thank you guys so much for giving me your time.
Yeah, thanks.
You guys have a
for
wonderful
having
night.
us.
Hey, God bless
You
you.
too.
Hey, gobbles.